channel. So today's video is going to be a shoe review, and today's shoe is going to be this shoe right here. So this shoe came out a while ago. Just not reviewing it, kind of slow. What can you do? But yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys like my personal review on the shoe, and also doing a quick little on feet at the end. So if you are interested in this video, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the Retro 12 University Gold. It came out, I believe, July 24th. Yeah, July 24th. So it came out in toddler, grade school, and men's. So I got a grade school, obviously. This is a grade school 5. I usually wear a 6, but I was able to fit a 5 in these. So yeah, this is a grade school 5. So yeah, I've been wanting these shoes since I first saw them, and I remember seeing them back in like April, I think, and I'm like, oh yeah, I need those. So I got them. But yeah, so the shoe is like a mustardy yellow. And I want to say like certain parts of the shoe are different tones of yellow. So like as you can see, like right above the midsole, this color is like a darker yellow, and this is more of like a brighter yellow where it says Jumpman. So it does have some different yellow shades going on throughout the shoe. Also, there's also 2 different tones of black. There's a more of like a matte black on the upper main part of the shoe, and then towards the midsole we have like this shiny black kind of deal, and the tongue is also the matte black color. So yeah, I kind of think this looks weird. I wish they would have kept both of these the same finish, if that makes sense, but what can you do? I just think it personally looks weird, but what can you do? On the front it says TWO2, and then it has a number 3, the Jumpman. On the back it says Jordan and quality inspired by the greatest player ever. That's what that little strip says right there. Also has another Jordan sign, and then of course the number 23 on the back. The bottom, nothing major, a little Jumpman going over the front, so when you wear the shoe you can see the ball. And yeah, not too much going on with the bottom. Just so these shoes I believe retailed for $140. I got them for $220. Yeah, I got this pair for $220 because of course I didn't get them for retail. I wasn't able to, so I got them for resale. I got them for $220 from one of my friends. And the crazy part about this shoe is I ended up buying 2 pairs. So I bought this pair for my friend the day they came out, and the night before I ended up copping a pair from StockX and got those for $240. But when I got these for cheaper, I'm like, okay, I'll just cancel my order on StockX and get these and save $20. I mean, hey, who wouldn't? And of course, like, you know, StockX is running really slow because of COVID. So I literally emailed them the same day I ordered the shoes. They get back to me a week later when they finally decide to ship the shoes out, and they're like, we can't cancel the order because the shoes had already been shipped out. And I was trying to explain to them like, well, if you guys emailed me back on time when I originally emailed you, you would know that I emailed you a week ago the same day that I purchased the shoes. So you clearly could have canceled the order. So yeah, because of that, I hate StockX now. I probably won't order any more shoes from them because they get on my nerves. So yeah, so I have another pair of those coming that I have to sell in a size 6. So I'll be getting rid of those as soon as they arrive. But yeah, that was my horror story with these shoes. But overall, I like the shoe. I think it's cool. Just besides this little piece at the bottom, I think that's weird. I honestly don't care for that at all. But yeah, overall I like the shoe. I think it's a really cool shoe. And yeah, so this was really quick. I just wanted to get on here and show you guys these shoes, give you like my little thoughts on them. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick on feet, and yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.